All right, I'm gonna start tearing this one out. All the interior needs to come out of it. It's so clean. It smells like a brand new truck. This thing only has 60,000 miles on it, and you can tell. Okay, we got this white truck stripped. All the harness is out. Front end's done. Computers, everything. Took everything we need. Oh, if you look inside, it's all stripped too. So. Still got to do the doors, all that's going to swap, the insides and the panels, but that's it for now on this one. As you can see, I'm stripping this black cab to get it ready to swap everything over to it. Here's our bay. I just got done stripping all the wire harness and all that. Inside the truck, cleaned up a lot of that nasty rust. Got the all the box out, all the brackets, pedals, everything. Next I gotta do is this headliner. We have a leaking sunroof. That's why the rust was so bad in here, but cab's all clean inside. Got a lot of that nasty out. This thing was far underwater, like really deep whenever this thing had flooded. But it's clean. Doesn't smell like a lake anymore, so. Okay, just replaced both blown airbags. So I'm getting one step closer. Rear seats installed.
You go to eat now or?
Look at that. All the trim. Look at this. This thing is looking freaking brand new. Dash, all the airbags fixed up. All right. Interior is complete. Dash is all in. Seats are all in. Console's in. One step closer. Black cab is soon to be going on that frame. Body is on the frame. Let's see how massive this thing is. Now we just got to put all the radiators, plug all the harnesses in, and making some real progress. Batteries. Up, let's see. Got lights. Oh, gauge is coming on. The rear light. Let's see. Oh no, it's a good sign. Front end's put together. Let's see where we're gonna do some alignment on the bumper, but
Just a bit up, not much, because they do have gap, but not that much. So remove it.
yeah, I just gotta loosen it up. All right, got the AFE intake installed. That's a really, really nice piece. Definitely recommend it. First time she's been out in the sun. Here's all the wreckage from the white one.
I think it was bumps under the springs probably, right?
We should be able to hear it start tomorrow.